In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install Battlefield REDSEC, the new Battle Royale mode here inside of Battlefield 6. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But from the home screen of Battlefield 6, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually just tab over to the settings tab. And once you are in the settings tab, you'll see this left-hand sidebar. Just scroll all the way down to the very bottom where it says system and open it up. And up at the very top in the setup tab, you're going to see an option for install/uninstall. Go ahead and select that. Now within here, you're going to see a bunch of optional game components that you can install. What you're going to want to do is find the REDSEC file, as well as the high resolution texture pack file. Just tick both of these and they're going to automatically begin installing. After the installation does finish, just close the game completely, relaunch it, and when you load back in, you're going to see Battlefield REDSEC added to the home screen of Battlefield 6, along with its own playlist options like duos, quads, and gauntlet. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.